Okay, I'm ready.
You ready, Nana?
Gosh, I'm ready. D, oh my gosh. We about to get the cops caught on us here, buddy. We doing one more last firework. We gonna do it crazy. Hold on, what is that? We did one more big one. It's going hard. We better watch the sky. It's going, it's going! Shit! Fuck. Okay.
Here with the cannon.
Bro, we just got... Holy shit. Bro! Oh my gosh. Ooh. I'm putting this on YouTube, guys. I hope that I got this on video.
Did it hit you? It hit Zayden.
Yeah, it got me too.
It hit me, I mean. Okay, I'm gonna end the video right here because we just got exploded. We won't get the cops called on us. We gonna go inside. Epic fail. Peace out.